Your Conti ACE comes fitted with an internal pump to generate pressure for your group head and to ensure your espresso machine fills consistently. If you don't hear the pump activate while you fill the machine for the first time, you will need to turn this on. To do this, access Eco Mode by pressing and holding button 3, then pressing button 2. You can now access the technical menu by pressing and holding button 3 for around 5 seconds until you see TST on the screen. Using button 2, scroll through the menu to F01. Feature 01 is called Boiler Filling with Pump. Select this option using button 3. Now use button 2 to scroll from off to on. Then press button 3 again to save the setting. Then use button 2 to scroll all the way across to ESC in the technical menu and select that using button 3. This will take you back to Eco Mode, and to exit Eco Mode, press button 2. Now if your machine didn't fully fill, the pump will activate immediately. If your machine is full, to test the feature, draw off hot water from the tap outlet until you hear the pump activate.